If you have a BMW Z3 and your door don't open from the outside unless you push the door in with your knee, this right here is the fix. Take your door panel apart. That right there, see that zip tie? It's wrapped around, creating a spacer in between here. I've been struggling all day with thinking about putting a bushing or something here to give me a little extra push, because I found if you reach in the door while pulling the handle and push this forward, I mean about the thickness of a razor blade, the door opens. So something's wearing out right here. So a zip tie, perfect. Gonna put this in the door and then I'll continue the video to demonstrate. Alright, and we're back. Door's latched, unlatched, and this aggravation is over with. Opens and closes like new. Let me zoom back out. I'm not a YouTuber. Oh, so nice. That was such a pain in the ass. Let's see. Door lock still works. So much nicer. I might even do the other side just to make it open that easy. I mean, you barely lift. You got that much wiggle, so it's not overly tight. The problem isn't lube. It isn't all the other nonsense I keep finding online. The problem is the part just simply wore out and has too much slack. The zip tie gives it a little extra life until the inevitable, but hopefully that's not in my lifetime.